Working with a vintage Adobe Photoshop file and got an AXT extract file. This stores image extraction data from older Photoshop versions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Adobe Photoshop extract files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the AXT error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. AXT files are extraction data files created by older Adobe Photoshop versions specifically for the extract filter feature. They store image extraction parameters, mask data, and refinement settings used by Photoshop's extract filter to isolate subjects from backgrounds in image editing workflows. AXT extract files use an Adobe-defined format, storing serialized extract filter parameters including edge, highlighting positions, fill colors, smoothness, settings, and channel preview information. The format integrates with the legacy extract filter that was available in Photoshop versions through CS3 before being removed from later releases. The core association for the AXT file points directly to Adobe Photoshop CC developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows exposes the configuration layout, but altering it safely requires context from the application. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the AXT file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop CC first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If you are still having trouble opening the AXT file, do not worry. A specialized format like AXT demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, loading in older Photoshop. Use Adobe Photoshop CS3 or earlier, which include the extract filter feature. Open the source image in Photoshop, then load the AXT file through the extract filter dialog. The application restores extraction parameters, enabling continued refinement of the image extraction workflow. Next, migrating extraction workflows. Newer Photoshop versions replaced extract with improved select and mask and quick selection tools. Document the extraction approach used in the AXT file, then recreate equivalent selections using modern selection tools. The newer tools generally produce better results with edge refinement and intelligent selection. Finally, extracting image components. Open the source image in modern Photoshop and use select and mask for similar image extraction. Use the refine edge brush for hair and complex edges. The modern selection workflow replaces the legacy extract filter with significantly improved selection quality and editing capability. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.